Madison. This one looks different. The entrance to it looks a lot different. And what's that to the right? There's a structure to the right.
Madison furnace.
We finally found it.
Why is it different than all the others?
Look to the right, there's a structure there. Overgrown. That's interesting.
There's rock wall there for the other side.
Look at how huge this is. Usually the entrances are much different. This is... Whoa.
This is not created the same.
Like, I'm literally standing here and there's several feet above me. This thing is huge. Wow. This is so different than the other ones. Philip, you can come inside it. Look. Whoa. Oh, there's another entrance. This is definitely different. Ooh. There's two entrances on the sides.
Whoa.
Right?
Oh my goodness.
I'm digging Madison. I like Madison Furnace.
What is the name of this furnace?
Madison? Look, it's almost like there's a bench here to sit on. Wow. This is unlike any of the other ones.
Wow.
That's just crazy. Look how high up it goes.
Hey guys.
This is nuts.
This is definitely, looks like it was created much different.
Yeah.
Thinking, what is this thing here? What is this part like?
Maybe there was like a round thing. Maybe that whole section there where you and Philip are was rounded. And you could come up here. And like maybe they burnt the stuff in there. Because you could come in from that side. Because it almost looks like it was made with a path around it and to go out to that side. Because maybe that structure out there had something to do with the furnace. And maybe there was a structure out there.
Pretty awesome.
Obviously, we're just speculating because we don't really know all of... We don't know everything about these furnaces, but... That just takes you to a brick wall, though. On that side. Can you peek out this door yet? It takes you right to that structure, but I want to see that structure from the other side.
So, man.
Of all of the furnaces, now that we've seen, I think Madison is my favorite. You can't really tell what that would have been for, can you?
No, there's one on both sides. One wall on both sides.
Huh. Maybe it wasn't really a structure. Maybe it was just a wall for some reason, but strange. Look at that. There's trees growing out the top of it.
Huge, but this one seems much bigger. I mean,
This one is in pretty good shape. I mean, obviously it's falling apart and cracked and stuff, but some of them have completely toppled over.